Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you full Airtable tutorial for project management. Well, if you love visualizing, organizing, and tracking projects, this tutorial is for you. So first, go to any web browser and then look for Airtable and click the very first link that you can see here. So this is Airtable's website. And here you can see the overview of the platform or this website. And if you want to start, then you just have to click this sign up for free. If you have an account, then click sign in. So here you can create your account, just type your work email right here. But for me, the easiest way is just continue with Google. This is just from my opinion, but I think it's the easiest way to sign up. What team are you on? Click from any of this given option right here. So let me tap product design right here and then click continue. Wait for a couple of seconds and you will see this who do you collaborate with. You will just add the email address of your workmate or teammate, but actually you can skip this part and you can add their email address later. Now, if you have your data, then you want to upload this and use this, then you can tap this Google Sheet, Microsoft Excel, everything is up to you. CSV, okay, just tap and then import or browse files. Then after that, I think we can just skip this part and then click continue. Okay, so for the next page, here you can now set up your dashboard or workspace, something like that. You can now enter the name and then you can select the color that you want. So for example, my company runs phone devices, okay, and then this is the newly launched gadget and we called it Poo, okay, Poo phone, something like that. Okay, so now I have selected the color for my workspace or dashboard and then choose a department. Of course, we're talking about project management, so click project management. And then here, choose what to include in this app. You can include the following here. For example, people, you can select these programs right here. These are the features that you can see inside your dashboard or workspace. Okay, so task, everything is up to you. But actually, you can add this one later. So you can skip this part or you can choose. And then after that, click the next button. Tap this. Okay, so after that, it will take you directly to this. So if you want to add some automation, then feel free to add. But for this part, for this tutorial, let's just skip this part and proceed with our project management tutorial. So you will see this notification and they want you to, or they will invite you for the 14-day trial. Okay, so everything is up to you. Okay, this is the dashboard. This is your workspace right here. So as you can see, a new gadget launch pool. And what you're going to do here, if you go back to home, then probably this is your home. Okay, so you can add workspace here if you want. You can add another one if you want. And for this time, we're going to start from scratch. Okay, so you can ask a help from AI to build your dashboard or template. But for this time, let's just start from scratch. We will talk about the options and features above. So let's start with data. So a little bit overview for this feature above, like data, automations, and then interface. So for automations, you can automate this. You just have to add a trigger and a result. If you know how to do this, then you can just add something here like send a mail, and then the result will be something like that. So if you know automations, then you can automate it inside this Airtable. Interface and forms. If you want to create a new form, just that form right here, and then you just have to click new form and create a form for like survey or whatever it is. So let's start with our dashboard. So I'm going to call it project management. I'm going to select a color right here. So for view, you can just simply change this to grid, calendar, gallery, Kanban, or you can add this by tapping plus. So later, after we create a project management flow right here, and then tap the calendar view, gallery view, then there will be a result. You can see the result after that. Okay, so these are the features. You can hide fields, you can filter here, you can group status or see fields, you can sort or filter with name or with age or status, color, and then share and sync. Okay, so let's start with this one up here. You can just basically change this name by tapping edit field. For the first one, I'm going to start or add some project objective. The second one, tap this arrow facing down, edit field, project timeline, and milestone. For the third one here, assign it, that means task for someone. So you can add someone right here. You can add or invite them through email address. Okay, so let's start with the project objective. I have added here project objective, project time management, and I'm going to assign this to specific person. So if you haven't added that person right here, you can just simply invite them. Okay, invite a new user, add their email address, and all they have to do is to accept this invitation. Then they will be notified for this task. As you can see, I am sending the invite and this person should accept this invitation. Okay, so for status right here, you can add something here like to do, in progress, or done. Okay, by tapping this plus icon right here, you can add another field if you want. So for example, if you want to add something like date. So below here are properties. So if you're talking about date, then you have to look for the date or calendar type right here. So that if you tap this, then you will see a calendar option or calendar icon. So as you can see, I want to look for the date property field, save. So if I tap this one, and then I can see the calendar view, right? So I can assign someone here, the date it should be submitted, something like that. So you can add more for your project, for your project objectives, timeline. You can assign more people, just invite them. For status, you can change this to in progress, and once done and done, and so on. So as you can see, there are tons of options right here that you can use when you start creating your project management. So basically, for the first part right here, as you can see, you can edit the field by just tapping the name and add more fields that are necessary for your project management. So let's just say for to do, you're going to set a date for that, in progress, and then done. So for example, you want to change the view right here if you want to see it. What will be the outlook or what will be the outcome if you choose gallery view? Now, if you prefer this one, then you can use gallery view. If you want calendar view, you can also select calendar view, and if you prefer that one, it's okay. So basically, there's also this Kanban view right here, and there is this list view, timeline view, Gantt view. So just select or choose someone you prefer. For me, it's grid view. Okay, so that's it. Now, if you tap this one and if you plan to edit this, then you can just simply edit. If you want to share this one, then you can just simply tap the share icon above and share this project management. But basically, this is how easy it is to create project management here in Airtable. If you're familiar with Asana, Trello, and other platform like Notion, they have the same, like almost same features. So for me, I think Airtable is more user friendly. It has a user friendly interface. So I think it would be easier for you to know this one and use this one. Okay, so share this. You can copy the link and then share, or you can just simply add email address and share this to your workmate, to your teammate, or to someone. So basically, that's how easy it is for full Airtable tutorial for project management. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. See you again in our next video tutorials.